Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell print on demand on Etsy shop in 2024. So if you're looking to start a business without holding inventory, print on demand is a fantastic option for you. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of how to get your store or Etsy store set up for and of course integrated with a print on demand service. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First of all, you'll need to go and create an Etsy account if you don't have one already. To do so, go and open a browser, go to this URL section. Of course, for me, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So once you go to this URL section, just type etsy.com, hit the enter button. And once you do so, of course, if it's your first time, normally you don't find your account right here. So you will just go you'll basically find yourself kind of in the same screen, but you'll find here a sign in option. Click on it to sign in into an account if you have an account, or just search to create a new account if you don't have an account. If you want to know how to create an account, set up a shop. We've already made a video about that if you want to check it out. Of course, you can use Google or Apple or Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you do so, you normally find yourself right here. So you'll have to start by going and opening your shop. Basically here, I'll just go to the shop manager, of course, so I can access my shop. As you can see, for me, I still did not finish like the steps right here. So I'll just go back and log into another account that I have this shop already connected in there, I guess. But yeah, let me just go and check if it's all good. Here, I'll just go use Google, as you can see, so I don't have to fill up all my information alone. And I'll go here to the shop manager, and yeah, you can see it's all good. But the account is suspended, so that does not matter, of course. For you, as you can see, once you go to the shop manager, you'll find yourself on somewhere like here. So once you are here, of course, and you set up your shop, make sure to name your shop and just finish setting up your shop if you didn't do that already. And now it's time to start choosing a print on demand service. To sell print on demand products, you will need to partner with a print on demand service. Of course, there are a lot of popular options, which will include like Printful, Printify, and even Goten. And these services will allow you to create some custom designs and automatically fulfill orders when customers purchase from your Etsy shop. And you can, of course, sign up with an account with your chosen print on demand provider. As example, if you choose like I don't know, maybe choose Printify or something like that, you can go to printify.com and set up an account in there. As an example, if you choose, oh sorry, so it should be like, so Printify, I did not add this, so Printify, it should be like that, yeah. So as you can see, you can enter like fill up an information, your information to create an account. Same will be for Printful. As an example, printful.com, as an example, it should be the same here. You should go and create an account, an example, or even Goten. So as example, if you go to goten.com, it's kind of basically the same. You'll have to go and create an account, so you'll be able to do that. So depending on the thing that you choose, of course, once you go and create your account, make sure to do it, of course, and set up your accounts and make sure it's ready. Then it's time to integrate your shop with the print on demand service that you choose. Of course, once you're signed up, as example, you'll need to integrate your Etsy shop with the print-on-demand service. This usually will involve installing an app or plugin from the print-on-demand service website. So as an example, let's say we're choosing here Printify. As you can see, if I go to my store, I guess I'm already logged into my accounts. Let me just check. Of course, you can use that for also like Printful or Goten, whatever you want. So for me, as you can see, I'll just click on continue with Google to log in into my account without any problems, as you can see. So you can see here I already have like 3 products as an example, and for you, of course, you can go and add more products to you. And as you can see from here, from Printify specifically, if you want to connect to Etsy as an example, all you need to do, go to this left panel, click on my new store here. As you can see, I have like here Squarespace connected, but for me, I'll just go and click on add a new store. And as you can see, you have here a lot of websites to choose from. But for me, as you can see, I can choose Etsy, or if I scroll down, I'll find Etsy here. As you can see, the connect is very easy. And as you can see, Etsy provide a fast and easy way to get started selling and reach over 96 million active buyers worldwide. So it's easy to set up and start selling, large audience and traffic, and low listing fees. So all I need to do is click on connect to Etsy. Of course, if you choose another website and you don't have it yet, you can click on sign up before and then click on connect. So here, once I click on connect, as you can see, all I need to do is scroll down, read all of that. If you agree to grant access to all of that, just go and click on grant access, of course. And once you do so, as you can see, congrats, the my Etsy store as an example now is here. I'm choosing like that specific store. And what's product do I have? At the moment, I don't have any products. Of course, I can go to this specific option. Example, try to export those products into my new shop. So my products will appear here now on Etsy whenever I want. Or simply I can go and create a new products example manual if I want to. Of course, I can go here and click on browse products. Example, let's say we're going to choose t-shirts as an example. Just choose this random t-shirts in here. And an example, yeah, it seems like good. All I need to do here, of course, you can see the prices, lowest, most shipping options, fastest delivery, and etc. Sizes, colors, all the things that you want. And if you like it, of course, it starts to clicking on start designing. And here as an example, you'll be able to click on start the tour if you don't know how to start designing with Printify. If you know, you can simply, or you want to explore by yourself, of course, you can simply click in here. So for me, I'll just click on I'll do it by my own. Of course, you can click here to get help. So for me, all I need to do simply, I'll just go and upload an image from my device. As example, I'll upload this image in here. And as you can see, I'll put it right here. Let's just make it bigger a little bit. And even let's make it landscape like that. And yeah, this as example should be good. Of course, you'll be able to make it like bigger, smaller, add some text with it, add some graphics, add some AI images, do a lot of other stuff. And if you like it as example, just click on save product here. And yeah, of course, you can simply go and select mockups if you want to. Like I'll just choose this, maybe this as example. And of course, I'll just choose like this. Of course, 10 is maximum. And yeah, here, of course, you can add some lists and details, some titles to it, whatever you want. Then click on publish, and it should be published on your Etsy store right away once you find it here. As you can see, it's publishing. Once you find it's published, of course, you can simply just refresh or wait as an example, just 5 minutes or something like that. As you can see, for me, listing error. Why? Because like I have my account suspended, but for you, you'll find published instead of listing error, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.